For this product's 3D interactive instructions, download the free Built app from the App Store or Google Play. An iPad displays a Built product overview page showing how many people, how much time, and how many steps the project entails. Users begin with the end in mind and review what tools are required and what parts are included. The instructions proceed step by step with voice and text guidance. Built offers play-pause control so users can work at their own pace. The animated 3D images show how each part fits together in the assembly or installation. This video is merely a preview of the first few steps of the Built instructions, meant as an interactivity demonstration only. Within the Built app, users can interact with the 3D images on a touchscreen to control the angle, perspective, and size of the animation. For the fully interactive experience, download Built. A woman using Built on an iPad drags her finger across the screen, rotating the image. Pinch to zoom. She enlarges the image and taps on a part for details. For 3D interactive instructions, download Built on a mobile device.